y'all? It's your girl Ronnie Nicole. I'm back at again with another YouTube video. I know I've been gone for quite a minute, and it's two reasons. The first reason is because school has started for me, and it is my senior year. And in this household, we do not play about school. School always comes first. And since we are in a pandemic and we are doing school over Zoom, my school schedule is very different from other schools because I go to a noble school. So like the schedule is very specific, and I had to figure out how I was going to record, prepare for college, and make sure I get all my homework done and keep my grades up all at the same time. So now that I figured that out, I'm back. And also, my hair was not done. That bob had been in for some... That bob was in for like a month. No, more than a month. Maybe 2. So now that I'm back, as you can read by the title, I am starting a new series. I have never seen anyone do this before, like as a series, but I've seen makeup artists do this, but like to have as a playlist on their YouTube channel. Basically what I'm doing is, this is the start of my album cover eyeshadow inspired looks. The first album I will be doing is Ski Mask, the Slump God's album, The Book of Eli. Now, he's not my favorite rapper, but he is one of my favorite rappers. I enjoy his music very well. And this is one of my favorite albums by him. And I've never done a green look before. So that's what we're about to do today. This is not necessarily going to be a tutorial, but I will be telling you how to do it during it. Basically what I'm trying to say is it's not going to be an in-depth tutorial. That's what I've been trying to say this whole time. The products I have used in this video are the Juvias Place palette. It is the Tribe by Juvias. It's the green one. It has all the green shades and it's so pretty. We love Juvia's Place. This is not sponsored, but if you're looking to put me on your PR box, please do, because I am broke. I might look like I'm closer to the camera, and that is because I am, because as you know, I am very much into helping y'all when it comes to makeup looks. Please ignore all the cars that you hear. I live next to a stop sign. Nobody stops at it. They just go past it like it just doesn't exist. And it's very hot in my room, so my windows do stay open. So first, you're gonna take an eyeshadow brush. This is a Walgreens eyeshadow brush. Like I said, I am broke, so we use what we got, okay? I use my eyeshadow brush from Walgreens. It's just a flat regular eyeshadow brush, and I dipped into the shade Ashanti. It is my crease shade. So we're gonna go in. First, I pat it out. Do not go in rubbing. No, pat first, then blend. So I'm gonna dip into it. We're gonna do this. Okay, y'all see how I have it patted in? Now we're going to blend. And the brush that I blend with is another Walgreens brush. And I did blend all my colors with this brush. That's why you see some green and some brown. And it's okay because it's all gonna blend in. It's one. So don't worry about that. But I take a blending brush. It looks like this. Hold on. Can you see that? I hope you can. I'm trying. But anyways, you take a brush like this and you blend. After I dimmed the brown shade and after I blended it out, I went into the shade Masai. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm very illiterate, so if I did not pronounce it right, please correct me. This is the only palette I'm using throughout this whole look. Like, I literally did not use anything else. Even my eyebrow, I use this palette. But I go into the shade Masai with a Real Techniques base eyeshadow brush. And I do the same thing with the brown shade. I pat first. Do not rub. I pat. So after I patted out my green shade, I go back in with the blending brush and I blend everything out. Next, I go in with, I don't even know where I got this eyeshadow brush from. I honestly believe I got it from like one of those cheap palettes from Forever 21. And I threw away the palette and kept the brush, to be honest. It's a duo brush. But anyways, I go into the color Tootsie. Is that? It's Tootsie, not Tootsie or Titty. So I go into the color Tootsie. And I go in my inner corner and I go out. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna see. It's not that hard. Look. I put the color Tootsie. I had to make sure I got it right. Tootsie on the outer parts. To make sure I put it on the outer parts of my eyeball. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Now, I left that middle part open for a reason. It's because we're gonna take the shimmer shade Koro. These names are so pretty. Excuse me. I'm gonna take the shimmer shade Koro. It's like I see some greens and some like yellows, and I like it, and it was very pretty. And I was like, you know what? I want to use a shimmer. So I kind of wanted to attempt to do a halo. I did not cut my crease, or I did not use concealer because I felt that the shimmer was just bright enough for me. Otherwise, I would have used concealer, but that's harder anyways. But back to the point that I was trying to make. I take the shimmer shade Koro and I put it in between the little space that's left open. I'm gonna take this brush, the little duo brush, and I flip it over and I go back into that light green Masai. See, they just speed. They don't care. And so you want to see some real speed? That's exactly what they do. I take Masai and I pat it in to the crease to like blend out the shimmer shade because it's the closest shade to the it is the closest shade to the shimmer shade. I pat it in because to me, for some reason, it keeps the pigment and it just looks better to me. Next, I go back in with that same brush and I flip it back over and I go back into Tootsie and I add a little bit more on my outer, and I'm touching a little bit in that shimmer shade, but just to give it that halo effect, but not knocking down the shimmer too much because the shimmer is what you want to pop. Then I'm gonna go back in with my little blending brush and just blend everything together. Next, I'm gonna take these eyelashes. These were given to me as a gift. Excuse me. These were given to me as a gift. So they are not my usual lashes. If you follow me on my makeup page, you know that I get all my lashes from AliExpress. But these are not from AliExpress. These are in fact from, ooh, I dropped the box. These are from MexicanCuties.cosmetics. I will try to look for the Instagram page because that's the name. It has the name of it right here. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. It has the name of it right here. So I will try to look for it and put it up here and the website and the link. If I can't find it, then I can't find it. But yeah, I'm not going to give out the wrong name. These are from Mexican Cuties. This was a gift to me. I didn't buy these. They're cute though. I like them. And I don't really wear short lashes because y'all know I'm dramatic. Not like that. But y'all get what I'm trying to say. So I'm about to put these on and then I'll come back. I forgot to tell you what I also did. I'm gonna come back with the rest of my face done because I want the main focus to be the eyeshadow look. But basically the highlight shade I'm using is Koro, so like I'm putting that on the rest of my face as the highlight shade, and I put it on my brow bone, and then I blend it out with my finger, because you do not want your highlight to just, you know, look unblended, because it doesn't look right. I do go back sometimes, you know, because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back to film the outro and to say goodbye. So I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I actually enjoyed doing it. I didn't have to be as serious because, like I said from the beginning of the video, it is not necessarily a tutorial because it's not as in-depth, but I still told you what to do at the same time. So I just really hope you enjoyed it. I'm starting to become more comfortable in front of the camera, and I'm starting to actually, people are starting to notice me more on Twitter, and I really appreciate that. So I am going to continue to push out content as best as I can, but I prefer more quality over quantity. So I want it to be visibly and quality wise good, more than me just pushing out videos and y'all just like, this is not even a good video, like you could have done better. What I wanted to tell you, it was 3 things I wanted to tell y'all. So 1, as I said before, I did just start school and I'm a senior, so it will be a very busy year for me. So I will try to post at least every Sunday or Friday, one of the 2. You will get a, so this video will most likely be posted Sunday, which is today, because it is only, I want to say 6 o'clock, and I don't have nothing else to do for the rest of the night. So I'm going to edit this video and probably post it today. So most likely I will be posting every Sunday. If not, I will try to post Friday just to give it out earlier. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it made sense in my head when I said it. That's why I said it. Oh, I lied. I'll be posting every Friday. I'm sorry. This video went out Monday, but I'll be posting every Friday. I apologize. Shoot me. The second thing is, so I'm a very big person when it comes to goals. So my goal is by the end of this horrible year that I have at least 200 subscribers. And I really hope y'all can help me get to that level, because I do try and I do want to help, and I do love makeup. I literally look at it all day. Lastly, please do not forget to follow me on my Twitter, my makeup page on Instagram, and my regular page. Do not forget to also follow me on TikTok, because that's where I be at when I'm not on camera. I'm mostly on Twitter. Like, Twitter is my life. I don't know why. I'm obsessed with Twitter. I love being on Twitter. Instagram comes runner up, but if you like are interested, I guess, in me, I don't know how to word it, but basically what I'm trying to say is I be mostly on Twitter. All my social medias are in the description box below. Be sure to check the description box every time I upload a video, because it could be some important information in there, and plus all the links to my social medias are in there as well. Plus when I do makeup looks like this, like basically when I do eyeshadow looks, everything that I use, and like if they have an Instagram page for you to go check out their products, I will put that in the description link below, just to help you guys out, you know, be sweet and nice, because like I love everyone. So to end this video off, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what album you want to see me do next, because this is the first album and this is a series, so don't forget. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'm thankful for you watching. I appreciate all the love and support, and as I build up my brand and a fan base, I guess is what we call it. I don't really like to say fan because I'm not famous at all. I'm really just a girl from Chicago, Illinois. But as I build up, people starting to notice me. I thank y'all all very much who support me. I love you all from the bottom of my heart, and I really do pray every night and that I am blessed to at least have a brand that I'm starting for myself, or that I'm getting somewhere for myself, because I really do love to do makeup. And like I said from the beginning when I started my channel, I really do love to help people get better at makeup, because who doesn't want to look good, right? As I'm finally ending this video, I love you all. Have a nice night. I send positive vibes your way. Good night, y'all.